Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you're returning to my channel to check out my videos, welcome to the new people coming to check out my video. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully your week is going great and you're having a good weekend. Today, I just got in my my Mayo Gang enhanced mystery box, which is a $110 mystery box that I got from Airsoft GI. Today we are gonna be opening that, seeing what's going on. They got a lot of good sales going on right now over there, so go over there, check them out. I'll have their information down below. Been having a lot of big winners on Tuesdays and Thursday nights for their shopping spree giveaways, which is super awesome. Lots and lots of people, first time buyers, winning, a big $400 or $500 shopping spree giveaway. One of the guys I know, at Cutter Airsoft, he just won a huge $1,200 shopping spree from Airsoft GI. So go out and check them out after this video. Get an entry into a shopping spree. You could be the next winner. All it takes is a $20 purchase and you get an entry. So go grab a gift card, and then grab a gift card, then take that gift card and get you some BBs, get you some green gas. All it takes is $20 or more purchase. And you can get you an entry. But to get an entry as well, you need to make sure that, you create an account on their website and then purchase something. That way you're entered into the live stream shopping spree giveaway. So without any further ado, we're gonna open this Mayo Gang enhanced mystery box right here and see what's going on in here. Oh, dang. Yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. We got a Lancer Strick 4.3 high Kappa gas blowback pistol. Let's open this out. Let's open this. Let's open it. Let's check that out. Look at this. This is a nice case. Comes with a little manual back here in the back. Right there. All right. That is sweet. Shows you all the parts and everything inside here. That is awesome. Ooh. Gonna throw these little buddies over here. Oh, man. The grip on this, holy cow. Like, look at this grip on this. This is a high Kappa. This is an Airsoft replica here. But man, the grip on this thing is absolutely amazing. Holy cow. Like, I like it. Look at that. Look at it. We got us a nice little green gas magazine here. But that feels amazing. Like, that is a sweet little pistol. Like, not bad. Like, that is absolutely awesome. This is, like I said, this is the 4.3 Strick from Lancer Tactical. This is their high kappa pistol. And wow, I am super impressed with this. Like, it has that aluminum, so aluminum slide right there. That is just absolutely awesome. Like, got the aluminum slide. Like, this grip on here is, holy cow. Like, it's got a nice grip. Like, solid grip. Got aluminum upper receiver, like I said, and then the rail system up here is, and the body of it is aluminum. This portion of it is polymer right here, but the rest of this is aluminum. So that is just, like, it feels really good in the hand. Like, oh. I'm gonna have to take this out and play with it. Like, that makes me excited to take this out, because the grip on this thing, it feels amazing. So, you know, you let me know if that was a win. I consider that a huge win. This was, like I said, $110 box. Absolutely amazing. Like, this feels great, so I can't wait to take it out and plink with it a little bit, see how it's shooting, and like I said, we'll see you next time. Peace.